Hi and welcome to Cebuana News. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more updates. Cebu City is the fifth richest city in the Philippines, according to the Commission on Audit's (COA) annual financial report with 33.3 billion pesos. Cebu City is the main city on Cebu Island in the Philippines and is known as the Queen City of the South. It is the capital of Cebu Province, a transport hub, and a popular tourist destination in its own right. Cebu is part of the country's second-largest urban area, Metro Cebu, whose other main components are the cities of Mandaue and Lapu-Lapu. This is a booming metropolitan area with all the conveniences of a modern city, as well as many of the problems of squalor, traffic, noise, and pollution. Cebu City is clearly the center of the urban region, though the other towns are far from insignificant. The area has excellent transport links and is the main hub for travel in the central and southern Philippines either by sea or by air. Cebu City has the busiest seaport in the Philippines. It is also one of its most historic and retains much of the flavor of its long Spanish heritage. A thriving port occupied the site when Ferdinand Magellan, the Portuguese navigator and explorer, landed there on April 7, 1521. On April 27, 1565, Miguel López de Legazpi and the friar Andrés de Urdaneta arrived on Cebu and founded the first Spanish settlement and Catholic mission in the Philippine archipelago. For 6 years, until Legazpi's removal to Manila, Cebu was the Spanish colonial capital. It remained the primary Spanish bastion in the southern part of the Philippines. Cebu City is considered as the richest city and the gateway in Visayas and Mindanao region. It is also the home of different prestigious universities and celebrities in the Philippines.